sharing my thoughts will be one of those things. So, I'm in the forest. I am on a walk in this beautiful forest, and it's foggy. And I thought I will share a few things. I was thinking about the passport. I have to renew my passport, and there's this hesitance within me, and I know where it's coming from, because I don't really agree with the system. But anyway, that's not what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say it would be nice to create a passport for one nation, for the rainbow nation. So that's how I want to call it. And the rainbow has nothing to do with your preference. It's just something to do that we are all colors. We're not one color. We're so unique with the rainbow, each of us. And this has been a long time coming, to show the uniqueness, the ideas, the individuality, which will unite us, because we have so many ideas within us that create, and when we come together, we are so powerful. We people are so powerful. Yeah. So, for me, I would love to have one nation. As Bob Marley said, one love.